Our objective is complete freedom, complete justice, complete equality by any means necessary. Malcolm X said that in 1964, and it remains the objective of all Black revolutionaries. I am a revolutionary. So of course, I believe that this complete Black liberation will only come when all Black people commit to getting organized and commit to doing the hard work for our communities to liberate and empower our people. We don't need anyone's permission to take what should have been given to us at birth. That's the big lie. We don't need their permission to take what is rightfully ours. You just need a willingness to fight back. If you are ready to get active in the fight, then come on out to our first Black Unity Rally in Chicago, June 7th, 2 p.m. at Dan Ryan Woods in Grove 9. Too many of us have become complacent and therefore willing to assimilate within this society that loves to hate you. A society that continues to blame you for the circumstances they orchestrated, like the wealth gap or police brutality. In the final analysis, our Black history teaches us that liberation must be taken, not asked for, not begged for, not negotiated. If you are ready to get active in the fight and be a part of building our own institutions, free of systemic racism, and protecting our communities against all that would seek to harm us, then come on out to our Black Unity Rally and sign up to be involved. Stop complaining about what needs to change and instead choose to be a facilitator of that change in your community. This is no place for cowards or those Black folks that hate themselves so much that they hate me. This fight, this movement is for the revolutionaries. The question is, are you a revolutionary? Are you ready to do what is necessary for your people? Because your people need you. They don't need excuses. And they don't need your loss of hope. They need your willingness to fight for them, to fight for our children and our children's children, because they are the ones that are on the line. For example, we are going to be starting a national campaign to feed our children. They want to take free lunches out of our schools to give wealthy people tax breaks. We're not going to settle for that. We're not going to stand for it. We're just going to feed our children ourselves. We're going to do the hard work and step in the gaps for our people. No more excuses. If you want to do something, if you want to help your community, then this is the time. And that is the whole intention behind Black Power. I love you, Black man. I love you, Black woman. Knowledge is power. Power to the people.